Good day, children. Today, let us see process writing. Process writing, it's nothing but explaining the method of preparing any dish. It could be any dish, children. It could be fried rice or curd rice or biryani. Any dish, paneer tikka or chicken biryani, anything it could be, children. Not only dish, it could either be juice like apple juice, mango juice, or making of ice cream, or packing the gift, how to wrap the gift. It could be the process of anything. It could be, children. It is nothing but you explain the method how to prepare a dish. That is only process writing. Now today let us see a new dish, children. Let us see how to prepare veg fried rice. Okay, today we will go on with the method of preparing veg fried rice. Hope you all like veg fried rice. Yes? Okay, let us see, children. Now, before going on to the explanation method, we must go on to the ingredients that is necessary for preparing veg fried rice. Let us see the ingredients, children. Okay, yes, here is the ingredients. See, ingredients for veg fried rice. What are the ingredients needed? 2 cups basmati rice, 1 tablespoon garlic. Children, this is how you must write. See, the way I explain, children, this is how you must write. It could be any dish, children, but before you could start the process of making, you must mention the ingredients that is needed. Okay, then 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half tablespoon pepper coarsely crushed, then salt as needed. So you will write what all the ingredients needed. You will write, children. Then here we'll see. We have seen the ingredients that is needed. Now, being fried rice, veg fried rice, children, we must see what all the vegetables are needed. Okay. Now, what vegetables are needed for vegetables for fried rice? We'll see what all the vegetables needed, children. 1/4 cup carrot choppedly fine. Then 1/4 cup capsicum choppedly fine. 1/4 cup beans choppedly finely, that is. 1/4 cup cabbage choppedly finely. Then 1/4 cup spring onion chopped finely. So these are the vegetables needed for vegetable fried rice. Now, apart from ingredients, children, we need vegetables, various vegetables. Being a vegetable fried rice, we need various vegetables. So, how will you cut? Everything is given here, children. Now, after mentioning all the ingredients needed, after this only you will go on to the method of cooking. Now, the method, children, the method of cooking only is known as process. Now, coming to the method of preparation. Children, this preparing method, you must write in a paragraph, children. See, I have done over here. The same way you will write in a paragraph. How will you write? It is nothing, children. The way how you explain to someone else, the preparing method, the preparation of fried rice, how you explain to your friend, the same way you will write. Okay, now let us see how to prepare veg fried rice. Wash rice till the water runs clean. Soak it for at least 10 minutes. Bring 8 to 10 cups of water to a boil in a large pot. Then drain the water from the rice and add it to the boiling water. Pour 1 tablespoon oil. This prevents the rice from turning sticky. After the rice gets cooked, drain the water and cool it. Heat a pan with oil and add chopped garlic and salt till they get fried slightly. Put in all the chopped veggies and fry for a minute or two. Add sauce, vinegar and salt with caution. With caution in the sense, children, very carefully you must add salt. If salt is a little bit more, the entire taste will get spoiled. Then add rice and pepper powder. Mix everything well and fry the vegetables. Fry rice for 2 minutes. Garnish it with fresh chopped spring onion. Now this is the method of preparing vegetable fried rice, and this is how you write in a paragraph. Not only vegetable fried rice, children, it could be, now imagine if the question, how will you prepare coffee, or how will you prepare a tea? So what all the ingredients needed to prepare a tea or coffee? You will write ingredients needed. Then you will go on to the method of preparing tea and coffee. Now for example, how will you prepare, how will you make apple juice? What all needed to make apple juice? What are the things needed for preparing apple juice? You need some 4-5 apples, then sugar, then milk, mixie, knife, what all the things needed and what all the ingredients needed, everything, you must just mention. After mentioning all the ingredients needed, first you will mention, children. After mentioning, only then you will go on to the process of making anything. See, like this in a paragraph you will write. Yes, children, these are all very interesting, children, where you learn once or twice, you will get idea how to prepare various dishes. Very easily you can write, children. Nothing hard in this. It is just a matter for you to work out with 1 or 2 examples. That's it.